Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey everyone, it's Chellina Angok, the Sudani mommy. Ayy. Here I am showing you guys how I wash my hair with Microlinks. It's a little more difficult than just washing my hair regularly, but I start off by just getting my hair wet, saturating all them strands, you know. Here I start with a clarifying shampoo. This is a Dove one. It's to clarify and hydrate. It was just nice and affordable. I don't really use a clarifying shampoo all that much, but since I have the Microlinks in my hair now, I use a lot more product in my hair, and I need something a little stronger to actually get rid of all that product, you know, that surfactant and those, getting rid of it. It can be a little harsh for your hair and drying, but it claims to be hydrating, but in my opinion, it clarifies. Clarifying does. I'm focusing mostly around the perimeter where I usually put the product in my hair. I don't really put too much around the edges. If I keep my hair in like a ponytail or like clips or something, I need to sleek my edges down. And also, instead of like scratching with my nails, I kind of just like rub back and forth with like the flat surface part of my finger. So try not to get it more detangled than it already is, because my hair, it gets tangled pretty easy in Microlinks. So just gently. I have this sped up. It's like fast forward right now. I have this sped up a little bit, so it looks like I'm going faster than I am, but I'm not. Just make sure you're gentle and just massage it in easily, but not too like round. Don't angle it too much, just like straight back and forth. And then I'm rinsing it out. I always cover my ear when I'm rinsing around close to my ear because I hate getting water in my ears. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. And then you're sitting there shaking your head trying to get the water out. It's the greatest relief when you finally do, though. But back to the point. Yeah, so here I am just rinsing off all that shampoo. And then I go in with a second shampoo. This is the All Mega Soft. It's for high porosity hair. If you guys know the Redken line, it's super moisturizing. I go back in with this to a moisturizing shampoo for my hair. And that I do the same thing, but I make sure to get it everywhere. And the same technique with my fingers where it's like side to side, but not like too many circles, just to avoid making my hair more tangled than it needs to be. Just side to side, side to side. And get it everywhere as much as possible.
We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey.
Here you can see me kind of finger detangling as I go, but nothing too crazy. And then I rinse that off as well.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby.
Here I'm going in with the All Mega Soft conditioner. Same technique, side to side, side to side. I should have used more conditioner in my hair. I don't feel like I have that much on there, but it also doesn't suds up like my shampoo, so maybe there might be more than I think. Who knows? Here I start parting my hair into sections and just really get it, work the product in there. Bring some moisture back to my hair after double shampooing it. I also split my hair into 4 sections and detangle when there's conditioner in it. Conditioner helps because it provides like a slip, so it makes it like nice and easy and smooth. But also it looks like I'm going faster than I am because it is fast forward, but I'm being very gentle, holding my hair at the roots and brushing it through. And then getting around the edges, that's like my hair at the roots, and like kind of like lifting that up a little bit until I can get like a grip on it with my hand. And then after one section, I clip that up. and then work on our second section, same thing. I finger detangle for a little bit what I can, and then start working with the brush at the ends of my hair and work my way up to the root.
I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
Yeah, similar technique. Hold it at the roots. Make sure you're gentle. Be very gentle, because one little pull, you can pull out that microlink and it will take your hair with it. I've done that a few times, so make sure you are very gentle when you're doing your hair.
Down bad, what they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not pay that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rest. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. She telling me Tay is the best. Pointed them niggas who act like a killer, but you only one from the net.
After that is all done, I go in and rinse out the conditioner under cold water. But I don't know how much cold water I actually used. I might have used like lukewarm to cold, because I hate using straight cold water on my hair, especially if it gets on my body. After I'm all done rinsing out, I'll show you guys how I blow dry my hair in a sec. This part I'm going to wash the rest of my body, and I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. Here we are, all dry, ready to go. You could use a t-shirt. You're better off using a t-shirt to dry your hair than a cotton towel, because it's really dry. Here I'm using this oil concoction I just made. It's mainly jojoba oil, which is the plant-based version of the natural oil that we produce in our hairs. I'll say that in every video. But yeah, it has like peppermint in it as well. And I just put that on my scalp, and then I just massage my scalp. So give yourself a little scalp massage, work it in there. And then I use a conditioner. This is Shea Moisture. Any of the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioners are nice. But I actually want to try the TGIN conditioner as well afterwards. After I run out of this, I take a good size amount, and I focus that mostly on my hair, because my microlinks are cool and all, but I ain't wasting my money moisturizing that hair. So yeah, just work that in through the bottom and then comb that in through. Continue the detangling process. I break my hair up in sections and then get that in all the way through. Even if I don't have microlinks in my hair, I usually break my hair up into like 4 sections and put the product in through it as well, especially if I'm blow drying my hair. Next section, I'm like dripping in sweat. It's so hot. here I am jamming out to some Polo G. I love that kid.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby.
And then now I'm sectioning off a portion of my hair. I'm using this Tresemme heat protectant, the Holy Grail. I love this heat protectant. It heats up, protects your hair up to like 450 degrees. It's got some keratin in there too, so it gives you that protein you need. But yeah, I tried using like a comb attachment for this, but that like kind of tugs and pulls at the microlinks and loosens them up, and it didn't really, so it's better to get like smaller sections and get like a round brush or like a little paddle brush like I'm using here, and then work your way, spend a good amount of time at the roots. Make sure you get your hair blow dried and as you're working your way down, because it's harder to reach your hair at the roots, but it's very important too. So doing small sections, I think I have it on like warm and like medium speed. My blow dryer goes 3 different speeds and like 3 different heat temp levels. But yeah, so work your way, just work in small sections, more heat protectant, and then just gently work your way through. And you have to work around like every edge of it to be able to reach the hair. The hardest part about having these microlinks in is being able to access your hair while you're working in it. So the smaller the sections you have, the better. Honestly, even with my sections, I probably should have made them a little smaller. Like rows, as if I was like straightening my hair. That'd probably be a really great idea to be able to get through all of the hair and blow dry at the same time. Because once you blow dry my hair and blow dry the extensions, they end up blending in the same, and it looks really natural, which I love. And I almost forget that. I'm like, I only got like 4 inches, but not today. That was my favorite thing about having I still do, but like that's my favorite thing about having microlinks, is the fact that it feels so natural, and like washing and doing your hair like this makes it feel like this is me. This is really me. But yeah, here at the top, I do take my time and make like smaller sections as well, because don't play with me. That's the front of my hair. Gotta make sure that looks nice. So yeah, just blow drying in every section, focusing on the roots, and then combing it through as you're brushing it down.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole.
That is about the gist of everything I need to do for washing my hair. If you guys have any questions or any comments about having microlinks or managing microlinks yourself, leave a comment down below and I'll reply as soon as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You join the fam and stay tuned for more hairstyle.
Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to it. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying busy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy, down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like
I like to post about lifestyle, hair, and all the things that entail that make me me. Subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.